Fronter's a really good space in which to store resources, learning resources that children can access. And one of the advantages of it, as far as I understand it, is they can access those resources at home. So, you know, any child who's got access to a computer at home can carry on with their work. And I think the other thing that's different about Fronter is that children are allowed to upload work that they've done to Fronter, so they can hand in work. So the kind of sort of relationship between the teacher and the student can continue beyond the classroom. So you can set work, upload resources and set tasks in Fronter, and then the students can do that work either in school or at home, and then they can actually hand in their work through Fronter to the teacher to mark.
Have you used Fronter with your classes?
Very, very basically. I mean, I've created very simple rooms and put resources into them, and the children have been able to access those resources, but I've not been able to develop a really interactive use of Fronter where you know, the children are actually sort of using Fronter to send their work back to me. So my use of it's really quite limited at the moment. And
I think in some cases students very quickly get to know how to use Fronter more so than the teacher. So for example, when they get on the Fronter, they'll be showing the teacher very often how to do certain things with the program, just purely because they're more technical minded than the teacher. So I find it from a kind of a student point of view, I think they really have the potential to really run with it, maybe more so than the teacher.
Yeah, I think at the moment, I mean, my use of Fronter is quite limited because I'm really seeing it as somewhere that I can upload resources and somewhere that I can, you know, give kids tasks to do and resources to support those tasks. But I could do that in another way, not using Fronter. It's the kids who seem to know a little bit more about it than me. I mean, I need to find a bit more out about it to be able to see what else I could do, really.